Okay, now moving to the other side, which again is going to be where we are seeing how to split that middle number. And for this first one, you are trying to get it to multiply to 56 and add up to 15. That's in check. You'll get to 7 and 8, which you can write that as 2x squared plus 8x plus 7x plus 28. And again, we are going to be splitting these up and grouping. So over here, you'll have 2x times x plus 4, pulling out that 2x, and then you pull out that 7, you get x plus 4, which should bring you to x plus 4 times 2x plus 7. Okay, on the next one, we are trying to get to numbers that multiply to 140 and 27, and through some guess and check, you'll get to 20 and 7. Through that, you will split up that middle number, so 5x squared plus 20x plus 7x plus 28. Again, group these up. On this first one, we are taking out that 5x to 5x times x plus 4. Bring out that 7 again to x plus 4. And with this one, we get x plus 4 times 5x plus 7. On to the next one, we are trying to get numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to 3. That should get you to 4 and negative 1. You can do 2x squared plus 4x minus 1x minus 2. In this one, we are going to bring out that 2x to x plus 2. Then we bring out that negative 1, which you'll see this also becomes a positive 2 because we are dividing this negative 2 by negative 1. So that's why this becomes positive. And through that, we get x plus 2 times 2x minus 1. All right, next to the next factoring, we are trying to get numbers that multiply to 50 and add to 15. This one would be 10 and 5. Again, we are splitting it up in the middle. So this is now plus 10x plus 5x plus 25. Group these together. And we bring out that 2x on this side, x plus 5. Add and take out that 5 on the second one. Get to x plus 5. And you should end up with 2x plus 5 times x plus 5. Alright, the last one for this first page. We're trying to get to 28, and we wanted to add to 16. You should get to 14 and 2. Again, we split up that middle number. 2x plus 14x plus 7. We are grouping again. What they have in common, bring out that 2x. 2x plus 1. Take out the 7 on the other side. And you should end up with 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 7. So that so far is the first page. Now we are on to the second. We want to do two numbers that multiply to negative 3 and negative 4. We have 6 and negative 10. That's when we rewrite again. 4x squared plus 6x minus 10x minus 15. This is where we group them again. So we take out 2x on this first one, leaving us 2x plus 3. Then we subtract. We're taking out a 5 from this side, so 2x plus 3, or taking out a negative 5, I'm sorry. That leaves us with 2x plus 3 inside our parentheses, which leaves us 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 5. Oh, minus 5. Sorry about that. Make sure minus 5. Alright, on this next one, we're wanting it to multiply to negative 90 and add to 1. That should leave you to 10 and negative 9. I got that through. We gotta first take out the x. Sorry about that. So x squared, negative x squared, plus 10x, minus 9x, plus 90. And that I took out an x first to get to that the middle part. And through there we get x. Take out the negative x plus 10 minus 9. Take out the negative 9 from there. And this should bring you to pulling out a negative x, x plus 10, and an x plus 9. I did this by making this the negative to make these positive, just so it's easier. Which again, if you come to my office hours, I'm more than happy to go over on how I did these. I'm kind of going them quickly so I can get them into a video for you guys to have answers and just to see if you guys are on the right track. Alright, so back to these. We are taking out a 2x, which should leave you with an x squared minus 8x plus 12. So we are multiplying these. So we want it to multiply to 12, add to negative 8, which gives you negative 6 and negative 2. Through this we have that 2x still there. X squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 12. We're going to group these. Group this side. 2x. Bring out an x. Take out a 6. And you should end with a 2x times x minus 6 and x minus 2. Alright. Next one, we are going to pull out a 4x squared. So 4x squared, x to the third, plus 13x, plus 22. We are going to split up where multiplies to 22, adds 13, 11, and 2 are what you should find here. And we're going to split that 13 into 4x squared, x squared, plus 2x, plus 11x, plus 22, which, splitting these halves and splitting this half, we still have that 4x squared and dropping that down. Take out an x, leaving x plus 2. Take out 11 on this side, leaving you x plus 2, which you should end at this factorization of 4x squared times x plus 11 times x plus 2. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. On part 3, you will see the last 3 problems on this worksheet.